Genius car hacks. Only experienced drivers know most drivers spend thousands fixing problems that could have been avoided for a few dollars or nothing at all. What if I told you your car already has hidden tricks and simple household items can replace expensive repairs? Stay till the end, because just one of these hacks could save you serious money or even your life. Hack number 15, WD-40 in engine bay. Open your hood and you'll often hear the same warning: corrosion, grime, and potential electrical issues. Mechanics love recommending engine bay cleaning services that cost anywhere from $100 to $200. But the truth is, most of this damage is surface level and easily preventable. A simple can of WD-40 can handle nearly all of it. Spraying WD-40 on battery terminals helps prevent corrosion buildup that causes starting problems. Applying it to exposed metal connectors displaces moisture and protects against rust. Even rubber hoses and belts benefit, staying flexible instead of cracking over time. This $5 fix can save you from a $150 battery replacement or costly electrical repairs later. Now that your engine bay is protected, let's move to something drivers overpay for every single night. Hack number 14, baking soda for tail lights. Foggy or yellowed taillights don't just look bad, they're dangerous. Most shops will tell you the plastic is permanently damaged and quote $150 to $400 per light for replacement. In reality, it's usually oxidation sitting on the surface. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a thick paste. Scrub the lenses gently with a cloth, rinse, and watch the haze disappear. Baking soda's mild abrasive quality removes oxidation without scratching plastic. For best results, seal the surface afterward with car wax to slow future damage. This same paste works on headlights, turn signals, and chrome trim, turning a $1 box into a multi-use restoration kit. Lights looking new again? Good. Now let's talk about something thieves hope you never learn. Hack number 13, aluminum foil on key fob. If your car has ever been unlocked without forced entry, you may have been a victim of relay theft. Criminals use signal amplifiers to capture your key fob signal from inside your house and trick your car into unlocking itself. Wrap your key fob in aluminum foil or store it in a metal container when you're not using it. This blocks radio frequency signals completely, making relay theft impossible. It also slows battery drain in your fob. Dealerships sell RF blocking pouches for $20 to $50, but foil does the exact same job for free and could save you $500 in replacement costs. Security handled. But what if your problem isn't theft? What if it's survival? Hack number 12, emergency trunk release. It sounds extreme, but people get trapped in trunks more often than you think. Kids playing, accidents, even mechanical failures. Every car made after 2002 is legally required to have a glow-in-the-dark emergency trunk release handle inside the trunk. Yet most drivers have no idea it exists. Pulling this handle opens the trunk from the inside, even if the outside latch fails. This feature has saved lives. It can also save you money, because if your trunk won't open from outside, this internal release may still work, avoiding a $200–500 latch replacement. From emergencies to everyday convenience, this next one feels like magic the first time you use it. Hack number 11, remote summon auto park. Ever parked so close to another car that you couldn't open your door? Many drivers think they need expensive sensors or camera upgrades costing hundreds. What they don't realize is that many modern vehicles already have a remote summon or auto park feature built in. Using a specific key fob combination or your car's app, you can move your vehicle forward or backward while standing outside. This feature is often buried in settings or ignored during vehicle walkthroughs. Learning what your car already does can save you $300 to $800 in unnecessary upgrades and a lot of frustration. Your car is smarter than you think, but sometimes the problem isn't tech, it's visibility. Hack number 10, shaving cream. Anti-fog windshield fog can turn a normal drive into a dangerous guessing game. Mechanics often recommend AC servicing or cabin filter replacements costing up to $200. Apply shaving cream to the inside of your windshield, spread it evenly, and buff it off completely. The invisible residue left behind creates an anti-fog barrier that lasts weeks or even months. The same trick works on mirrors, glasses, and even dive masks. A $2 can replaces overpriced anti-fog sprays that do the exact same thing. Seeing clearly is important, but so is hearing when something's wrong. Hack number 9, WD-40 on hood hinges. That squeaking sound every time you open your hood isn't just annoying, it's metal grinding against metal. Shops happily charge $40 to $60 for hinge lubrication, often bundled into service packages. Spray WD-40 directly on hood hinges, trunk hinges, door hinges, and even your fuel door. Open and close them a few times, and the noise disappears instantly. More importantly, proper lubrication prevents long-term wear that can lead to hinge replacement costing hundreds. 30 seconds of effort now beats expensive repairs later. Let's step away from the noise and focus on something drivers fight every winter. Hack number 8. Hidden wiper maintenance mode. Many modern cars don't allow wiper blades to lift freely, leading drivers to force them and accidentally damage motors or linkages. Mechanics know there's a maintenance mode, but they rarely tell customers. Turn your car to accessory mode without starting the engine. Then flick the wiper stalk within a few seconds. The wipers move upright and stay there, allowing easy blade replacement or winter prep. Using this mode prevents damage and avoids $30 service fees for something that takes 2 minutes. Winter protection doesn't stop there, because frozen blades are just the beginning. Hack number 7. Cleaning slime for AC vents. A musty smell from your AC usually leads to scary words like mold and repair quotes of $150 to $300. In reality, the smell often comes from dirt, dust, and debris trapped deep in air vents. Cleaning slime, yes, the kind kids play with, can reach places vacuums can't. Press it into vents and slowly pull it out. It grabs years of buildup in minutes. Cleaner vents improve airflow, reduce strain on your AC system, and even help fuel efficiency. Most of the time, it's not mold, it's neglect. Speaking of things you touch every day, this next hack protects what your hands slowly destroy. Hack number 6. Wet wipes on steering wheel. Steering wheels wear out faster than most interior parts. Oils from your hands, sweat, dirt, and UV exposure slowly break down the material. When it starts cracking, shops recommend reconditioning or replacement costing $150 to $400. Keeping unscented baby wipes or automotive wipes in your car changes everything. A quick wipe every few drives removes oils and grime before damage sets in. The same wipes work on gear shifters, door handles, and other high-touch areas, extending the life of your entire interior for just a few dollars. Now let's talk about parking, because expensive sensors aren't always smarter. Hack number 5. Tennis ball garage guide. Pulling into the garage shouldn't feel like defusing a bomb. Yet shops push proximity sensors and systems costing up to $500. The classic solution works better. Hang a tennis ball from the garage ceiling so it touches your windshield when you're parked correctly. When the ball taps the glass, stop. Perfect parking every time. No batteries, no calibration, no repairs. This trick also works for teaching new drivers and parking motorcycles or equipment. Sometimes the best solutions are already built into your car, just hidden. Hack number 4. Hidden sun visor extension. Sun glare causes thousands of accidents every year, yet many drivers spend money on visor extensions or window tint without realizing their factory visor already does the job. Most sun visors unclip from the center mount and swing sideways to block light from side windows. It's simple, effective, and free. This eliminates the need for flimsy add-ons that fall off and leave marks. Comfort improves, and safety does too. Visibility handled. Now let's protect your car from something far more permanent. Hack number 3. Steering wheel lock bar. Steering wheel lock bars aren't just anti-theft devices, they're multi-purpose tools. Thieves see them and move on instantly, but they also reduce wear on steering components by stabilizing pressure when parked on hills. For $20 to $40, you get theft deterrence, steering protection, a self-defense tool, and an emergency window breaker. Compare that to $150 steering inspections or costly repairs, and the value becomes obvious. Prevention always beats replacement. Cold mornings bring another kind of pain, ice that refuses to move. Hack number 2. Rubbing alcohol. Dicer scraping ice wastes time and patience. Commercial dicers cost more and often underperform. Mixing 2 parts rubbing alcohol with 1 part water creates a powerful dicer that melts ice instantly. Spray it on windshields, door locks, mirrors, and even frozen washer nozzles. Apply it the night before a freeze to prevent ice entirely. For about $2, you get a winter solution that replaces multiple overpriced products. And finally, the simplest winter hack of all, one that costs costs absolutely nothing. Hack number 1, socks on windshield wipers. Frozen wiper blades don't just stop working, they get destroyed when forced. Shops love selling replacements at $40 to $60 per set, but a pair of old socks can save them. Then slide socks over your wiper blades before parking overnight. They prevent ice buildup, protect the rubber, and stop blades from freezing to the glass. In the morning, pull them off and drive away. This single habit can extend wiper life by months or even years. Like, subscribe and hit the bell to save money every drive.